If you want a cleaner lock screen by removing widgets, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the steps to remove lock screen widgets. Press the Windows key and click on Settings. Click on Personalization, Lock Screen. Under Lock Screen Status, click on the drop-down menu and select None. If you feel the widgets on both your lock screen and desktop are cumbersome, you can do away with widgets permanently. Press Windows key +R and enter gpedit.msc. Click OK. Navigate to Computer Configuration and expand Administrative Templates. Next, navigate to Windows Components and expand Widgets. In the right pane, double-click on Allow Widgets. Set it to Disabled and save changes. Restart your PC.